When a homicide goes unsolved, the investigation may grow cold, but for the victim's family, the questions never do. As new cases arrive, older investigations can receive fewer resources. Families may spend years asking whether evidence, witnesses, or new technology could offer another path forward. On August 3rd, 2022, the Homicide Victims Families' Rights Act became federal law. It created a process through which certain family members can request a review of a qualifying federal cold case, murder. A designated family member may apply for the case file to be reviewed. That can include a parent, grandparent, sibling, spouse, child, or a stepchild. This does not cover every unsolved homicide. The murder must have occurred on or after January 1st, 1970, been investigated by a federal law enforcement agency, remained unsolved for more than 3 years, exhausted its meaningful leads, and have no likely perpetrator identified. The review examines whether investigative steps were missed, whether witnesses should be interviewed again, whether evidence could benefit from additional forensic testing, and whether modern investigative standards could produce new leads. The law also requires fresh eyes. The person conducting the review or any required reinvestigation cannot be someone who previously investigated that case. If the review concludes that a full reinvestigation would develop meaningful investigative leads, the agency must conduct one and analyze the available evidence again. The law creates a right to request a review. It does not guarantee that the case will be reopened, that a suspect will be identified, or that an arrest will follow. The Homicide Victims Families' Rights Act cannot promise answers, but in qualifying federal cases, it gives families something they may not have had before: a formal right to ask that the file be examined again. This is When Darkness Changed the Law, with Darkness Debaters, shining light where darkness dwells.